Okay, so the bird is out of the cage. And Steph, are you coming out?
I'm not getting out from underneath here
Why?
because that bird attacked me.
The bird is not going to attack you. He's going to be on my
I
shoulder.
don't care. I'm not getting out from underneath here until that bird is in the cage.
You know, birds can sense fright.
Well, good.
So he knows you're scared of him.
Well, he should go away.
Steph,
I'll send him over to you. Hold on.
No.
I think he's on you. Don't move because he's right there. You'll hurt him.
Stop.
Steph,
What?
I have to get up.
Well, that sucks. I'm not getting out. You can go.
What about your Bruno that
Well,
chews everything?
Well, he's gonna have to wait until you put the bird away.